Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to download specific table from database in PhpMyAdmin. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So you can download table from WordPress or PHP database. Now you see all tables. On top you see export, so click on it. Now loading. Then you see exporting table from database. And then you see export method, quick or custom. Now select custom and then you see tables name. So you can select tables according to requirement or you can uncheck like this. You see all table and then scroll down. You see export, so click on it. So we are going to export specific table from database. Now you see file name and save as type .sql. So click on save. Now database download done. Now scroll up, so you can download tables from WordPress database or PHP database in PHpMyAdmin. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.